Midnight Range TM here, guys. Thanks for stopping in. The lowly Iceberg. Redheaded stepchild of the lettuce world. Stick around. Let's make a salad. See if we can church it up a bit. I'll see you in a minute. Hey guys, we're back. Alright, so let's make something of this iceberg lettuce, huh? First thing we're going to do is we're going to make the dressing. It's nice to make the dressing a little bit ahead of time. A couple of days works awesome. Gives it time to really draw out a lot of those flavors. And we're going to be making a pickled ginger blue cheese dressing with some chopped gorgonzola and pickled ginger, like I said. Pickled ginger is also called gari, G-A-R-I. You'll see it pink, you'll see it kind of orangish, sometimes you'll even see it as white. Any one will work. The pink is nice because you can see it, it looks really pretty, all chopped up in the dressing. But the dressing is super simple. It is a mayo-based dressing. I'm going to do two, and this amount of dressing is probably a lot for your home use. You could probably cut it in half and be more than good for a couple of salads. 2 cups of mayo. This is 1.5 ounces of pickled ginger by weight. So it's maybe 1/4 cup. I'd say probably about 1/4 cup. And we're just going to rough chop it. Run a knife through it one way. Turn it. Run a knife through it the other way. And go right into the bowl with it. Okay. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of the juice that the pickled ginger is jarred in. It's real sweet and sour, kind of vinegary flavor. Okay. 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, unseasoned. There's seasoned and unseasoned. You definitely want to use the unseasoned in this. I guess if you use the seasoned, you can omit the salt and pepper that we're going to add. If you do have some at home, I say, what the heck, let's go for it. 1/4 pound or 4 ounces of chopped gorgonzola. I really like gorgonzola in this. It's got a little bit of bite, but it's not too bad. If you want something more mild, a Danish blue works really well. If you're looking to really fancify it up, go get yourself some Maytag blue. Amazing. But this is a dressing that if you buy gorgonzola that normally is real bitey, this sauce will really make it nice and mild, so you'll be good to go. And a little bit of salt and pepper. Just a pinch. That's it. Mix this guy up. And I do like to whisk it. And what it does is it really gets everything broken up and mixed together really well. And like I said, this is great to go a couple days ahead of time. Right back with the salad. Alright, so we're going to be making a wedge salad. Kind of a twist off of an old school sort of steakhouse salad. Iceberg's got kind of a bum rap as being flavorless and real wet and watery. But if you do a really nice setup with it, Iceberg's actually a pretty cool lettuce. It's got a lot of crunch to it, but it's still tender. It's really neat, and a lot of people really like Iceberg. Just not a lot of places do a really nice salad with it. So we're going to do a wedge. This means really simply, you can leave the core on it, in it. We're going to split it down the middle. I'm going to split it down the middle again. I'm going to just nick that bottom off. Just a little bit of the core, because we want it to stay together. Don't want it to completely fall apart. Want to be able to sort of turn this into a knife and fork salad. Put that on the plate and get rid of these guys. And Now we're gonna do this with some cherry tomatoes, bacon, dried cranberries, some diced onion, and some really super thinly sliced cucumber because it looks kind of neat. Really, really super thin. And some fried wontons for some crunch instead of a crouton. Something a little bit different. So, first, onion. Leave the stem end on. Trim this end just a little bit. Okay. If you've seen the channel, you know what I'm going to do. But it's a nice little trick, and a lot of people have never seen me do it unless they go back and watch some of the old videos. Okay. How do you dice an onion? Super easy, super safe, super effectively. There's always rings in an onion, right? We're going to split that onion down the middle. So that's what you're left with. Now, when you think about it, if you want to dice, all you got to do is cut towards the center, the whole way around, and then slice it, or like you were slicing it. Okay? Don't go the whole way through to the back. Leave a little bit in the back, and just do nice, small. And then when you get to this side, you're just going straight down, and then almost away from you a little bit. But you're always cutting towards the center, through those rings, and then straight down. And you're left with a really nice diced onion. Okay, much better and much safer than people that go. Let's see if I can get in the camera here. Up, straight down, and then straight across. You're never left with a nice dice anyway, and the onion starts falling apart and going all over the damn place, and you end up cutting your finger. So, diced onion. Cherry tomatoes. We're just going to cut these in wedges. Okay? Cut them in the center, lengthwise. Cut them again, lengthwise. So you've got nice little wedges. Okay? That should be good. We're also going to take cucumber, just regular old cucumber. We're going to leave the seeds in it. And this one's kind of nice because it's not super seedy. If it is really seedy and you want to, split it down the middle and kind of scoop the seeds out, that's fine. We're going to split that down the middle. Okay, so we have a nice flat surface. And we're going to cut this thing as thin as we can. Just for a neat textural difference. We've got chunky tomatoes, we've got a diced onion, we've got some crunch, we've got some chopped bacon, and it'll be neat to have another different texture, and it's just wafer thin cucumbers. Okay? Okay? Is that thin enough? I don't know. You tell me. Whoop. Okay. So, the next thing we're going to top it with is some dried cranberries. Craisins, dried cranberries. This is one instance where I do kind of stick with a brand name. Ocean Spray makes a really nice craisin. There's some out there that are organic. There's some out there that are you know, no sugar added or anything like that. Texturally and flavor-wise, I really like the Ocean Spray. But if you want to go a different route, go ahead. Chopped bacon, a little bit of smoked cured bacon, slow roasted, rendered down, chopped. We're going to top the salad with that. Okay. So we come back. We're going to put this sucker together. Alright, let's put this guy together. So I know you're thinking this is a super short video, this is a really simple salad, this is a really simple dish. It is, you're right. And it's summertime and I wanted to do something simple as a salad. And I'll tell you what, if you try it, I think you'll agree. As far as salads go, this is a killer food. And I know you'll like it. So we're going to put this guy together really simple. We got our dressing here. Pickled ginger, Gorgonzola, sort of a sweet and sour blue cheese right on the top. Hit it with some red onion. Dried cranberries. Let's do some of these tomatoes. Cucumbers. And don't forget our friend, the pork belly. Fried wontons. Okay. Wonton skins, just like you would make, egg rolls with. These are actually egg roll skins. They're a little thicker than a wonton. I'm sorry. Cut into strips, fried, and just seasoned lightly with a little bit of salt. There's some of them bad boys in there. And there you go. That is the killer salad. Okay, got a lot of flavor, sweet and sour, smoky, savory. Got that blue cheese there. I think you'll like it. I think you should try it. And I hope you comment under the video. Let me know that you liked it, how you liked it. There's one more thing too. Don't forget, ladies love that green stuff. It's even better now. So like, share, subscribe. Check out live streams on 10:30 Sunday Eastern Time. Food and Guns, question and answer, lots of fun stuff. Check out the channel and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you know what's going on and when it's going on. See you later, guys. Thanks. Midnight Range TM. I'll see you next time.